Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my dear classmate. I'm Gemma, languban. I will assign to discuss the Chapter 5, Digital Security and Ethics Privacy. Backup, the ultimate safeguard. Categories of backup: full, differential, incremental, selective, continuous data, protection, cloud. 3. Generation. Backup policy. Full backup. Description: copies all the files on media in the computer. Advantages: fastest recovery methods. All files are saved. Disadvantage: longest backup time. Differential backup. Copies only the files that have changed since the last full backup. Advantages: fast backup method requires minimal storage space to the backup. Disadvantages: recovery is time to consuming because the last full backup plus the differential backup are needed. Incremental backup. Copies only the files that have changed since the last full or incremental backup. Disadvantages: fastest backup methods require minimal storage space. Backup only most recent changes saved. Disadvantages: recovery is most time-consuming because the loss of backup and all incremental backup since the full backup are needed. Selective backup. Users choose which folder and files to include in a backup. Advantages: fast backup method provides great flexibility. Disadvantages: difficult to manage individual file backup, least manageable of the backup methods. Continuous data protection or CDP. All data is backed up whenever a change is made. Advantages: the only real-time backup, very fast recovery of data. Disadvantages: very expensive and requires a great amount of storage. Cloud backup. Files the backup to the cloud as they change. Advantages: cloud backup provider maintains backup hardware. Files may be retrieved from anywhere with an internet connection of a device. Disadvantages: required an internet connection, otherwise files are marked for backup when the computer goes backup. Wireless security. Wireless access poses additional security risks. Next, some perpetrators connect to others. Wireless networks to gain free internet access or confidential data. Next, others connect to a network through an unsecured wireless access point or WAP or combination router or WAP. Ethics and society. Technology ethics are moral guidelines that govern the use of computers, mobile devices, information systems, and related technologies. Is a cycle of ethics, addressing the ethical question specific to the technology age. Information accuracy is a concern. That all information on the internet is correct. Ethics and society. Intellectual property refers to unique and original words such as idea, inventions, arts, writings, processes, company and product names, and logos. Intellectual property. Rights are the rights to which creator is entitled to their work. A copyright protects any tangible form of expression. Digital rights management, or DRM, is a strategy designed to prevent illegal distribution of movies, music, and other digital content. Ethics and society. A code of conduct is a written guideline that helps determine whenever specific ethical or unethical or allowed, not allowed. Code of conduct is a set of rules outlining the social norms, religious roles, and responsibility of and or proper practice for an individual. Sample IT Code of Conduct. 1. Technology may not be used to harm other people. 2. Employee may not meddle in other files. 3. Employees may use technology only for purposes in which they have been authorized. 4. Technology may not be used to steal. 5. Technology may not be used to bear false witness. 6. Employees may not copy used software illegally. 7. Employees may not use other technology resources without authorization. 8. Employees may not use other intellectual property as their own. 9. Employees shall consider the social impact of programs and systems they design. 10. Employees always should use technology in a way that demonstrates consideration and respect for fellow humans. Next, green computing involves reducing the electricity and environmental waste while using computers, mobile devices, and related technologies. Green computing is the environmentally responsible and eco-friendly use of computers and their resources. 1. Converts energy. Use computers and devices that only comply with the Energy Star program. B. Do not leave a computer or device running overnight. C. Turn off the monitor, printer, and other devices when not in use. 2. Reduce environmental waste. A. Use paperless methods to communicate. B. Recycle paper and buy recycled paper. C. Recycle toner and leak car detergents and computers, mobile devices, printers, and other devices. D. Telecommunicate. E. Use video conferencing and VoIP for meetings. Information privacy refers to the right of individuals and companies to deny and restrict the collection, use, and dissemination of information about them. Huge database store online website often collect data about you so that they can customize advertisements and send you personalized email message. Some employers monitor your computer usage and email messages. Information privacy is also known as data privacy.